Are you struggling to share full-length Instagram Reels to your story? If so, you're in luck because I'm about to reveal a handy trick. Stick around till the end to learn all about it. First things first, ensure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Once that's done, let's locate the reel you want to share. Tap on the share icon located on the right side of the reel. Then hit the copy link button. Now, exit the app and head over to your App Store or Google Play Store. Search for and download a free app called Repost for posts and stories. This nifty tool will enable you to share full-length reels to your Instagram stories. Once installed, open the app and grant it permission to access your Instagram account for pasting the link. Choose Story and voila! You can now share your reels in full length on both iOS and Android. With this simple trick, you'll be sharing your favorite Instagram reels to your story in no time. If the video was informative for you, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos.